Hello learners, welcome back to my channel. I am Anjali and today I am going to teach you something about lines and patterns. Line is the first element of art and today we are going to learn about patterns. So here are the patterns I have made for you. Please go through it and practice once before doing this activity. For the activity we are going to take one page and I'm making a simple landscape using pencil. I'm making some mountains and a simple sun with the rays. You can make anything, any simple landscape and do this activity. After completing the drawing, we will use sketch pen for outlining. You can use any color sketch pen. I am using black color. Outline it nicely. Erase the pencil lines. Take your sketch pen and draw any pattern of your choice. I am taking orange and yellow color for the sun, and as you can see I'm making some patterns. These are the patterns I have shown you in the image earlier. You can use any other pattern also. So as you can see I'm using different patterns in different ray. This way you have to complete your whole sun and the rays. You can use different shades also, but I am using only yellow color. Now after completing sun, I am moving forward to the mountains. For the mountains I am only using lines. Lines is the first element of art, so you need to practice a little more for the lines to be perfect. I am using different shades for different mountains. First I did a light green, then the dark and darkest. This way I am completing the mountains. This way you have to complete your whole drawing with sketch pen using lines and patterns. Now to give it a 3D look, I am going to use crayon colors. This way I will shade a little bit on the top of the mountain. This step is completely optional. If you want to skip it, you can. I am using different shades for the different mountains. This way I will complete my whole painting, and after completing it will look like this. So today we learned about lines and patterns, and now you have to make one drawing using line and pattern. I have shared some examples. You can use this example in your drawing or you can make your own. Thank you and keep learning.